Good day everyone. For today's video, let's tackle about solving system of linear equation by graphing. Now, let's do this topic. So I have here example number 1. Given the system, we are asked to find the solution of system of linear equation by graphing method. So we have the system or the equation negative 2x plus y is equal to 2. This will serve as your equation number 1. And the second one, important system natin, we have negative x plus y is equal to negative 1. This is this will serve as your equation number 2. So by the way, since our target here on the method na gagamitin natin by graphing, so let's start. So start na tayo. So how are we gonna solve this given system? By graphing first, kailangan lang naman is to convert the given equation into slope-intercept form. Remember, if kung matandaan, you have to natandaan yung ganitong y is equal to mx plus b. Again, maraming ways para mag-graph and linear equation. Pero ito kasi yung mas madali na ituturo ko sa inyo is to convert those equations or to rewrite those equations into slope intercept from form. Bakit dito? Kasi kitang-kita mo na agad kung ano yung value ng isang y-intercept, the same time the value of your slope intercept. So let's start with number 1 or equation number 1. We have negative 2x plus y is equal to 2. To convert this into this form, and gagawin lang naman is to transpose negative x plus negative 2x. At bakit we need to isolate the variable y katulad nitong form na ito? So transpose the negative 2x to the other side of the equation, and then from negative it will be positive. Remember when you are transposing a term sa isang equation, magbabago ang sign niya. So the remaining terms of the left side is yung y, kasi nililipat natin si negative 2x, and then it will become 2x plus 2. Ayan ang nangyari. So again, yung negative, nilipat natin dito. So again, yung negative 2x plus y natin is equal to 2 ay na convert na to be down. Y is equal to 2x plus 2. So, since ito na ang kanyang form, you can easily identify the value of x. Sorry. The value of m, and then the value of your b. Your slope m is equal to 2. And then for your y-intercept is 2. Okay? Now, let's move on with the next equation. With you have negative x, negative x plus y is equal to negative 1. So, follow this pattern. All you need to do is transpose negative x to other side of the equation, and your new equation is y is equal to minus x minus 1. This is your slope intercept form. And then you can easily the value of m is which is dito, which is 1. And your y-intercept is equal to negative 1. Ngayon, paano to i-graph those given equation kung meron ka ng slope intercept? Slope and y-intercept, remember, we have discussed how to graph linear equation kapag meron kang slope saka y-intercept. Paano? So, let me show you the way. So, I have your Cartesian plane. So, for the first equation, to graph the first equation, negative 2x plus y is equal to, and gagawin lang naman is to use first your y-intercept. Remember, kapag meron ka ng y-intercept, the value of your x coordinate is 0. Automatic yan. Of this, 1 is 0, 2. And then, i-plot mo lang yan. So, you have 0, 2 along the y lang na naman yan. So, this is the location of 0, 2. Okay? Then, the next point is using the slope, which is 2. You can put some here in your dominant as invisible 1. You can put something here in your dominant as invisible 1 or 1. So, meron na tayong magamit for the rise over run. And the rise natin is equal to 2. This is your rise. So, move ka lang ng 1, 2. Tapos, yung run mo na yun ay papunta sa right side. Right side. Dito. And that this is your second point, 1 unit. 1 unit to the right. So this is 1 unit. So this is our second point. First point, second point. Okay? So kung meron ng second point, you can draw the line tulad nito para sa ating graph equation. Okay? Yan. This is the graph of negative 2x plus y is equal to 2, followed by the second equation. Ang kanyang y-intercept is negative 1. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay coordinates ay 0 and negative 1. So, nandito siya, negative 1. To, negative 1. For sure, sa ito, ating 0, negative 1. At union slope is 1. Pero lagyan natin ng denominator 1. Para meron tayong magamit for the raise run. So if your raise is equal to 1, mag-move tayo ng isa unit pataas tapos yung run mo is equal to 1, so ang movement is papunta sa right unit. Move to right. So this is your second point. So given those points, we can graph it. So graph natin yung line connecting sa dalawang points E, and then this is the graph of so this is the graph of x minus plus y is equal to negative 1. Now, what is the solution of this? The solution for the given system ay yung intersection gamit yung graphical method. There are intersection kung saan nag-cross yung dalawang line, and this is the point. Kung saan yung nag-cross of intersection. So we can see that the point of intersection is negative 3, negative 4. This is the solution of the given system. This is the solution of the given system. Negative 3, comma 4. In other word, the value of x is equal to negative 3, or the value of y is negative 4. And that is the answer, the solution of the given system. That's it. Thank you.